और एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस के बारे में भी बात कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि खबर फिलहाल ये आ रही है कि अब एक्शन अपने ही कैबिन क्रू के अगेंस्ट एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस की तरफ से लिया गया है। और हमने देखा था कि लास्ट मिनट पर मास सिक लीव जो ली गई थी काफी क्रू मेंबर्स की तरफ से, उसकी वजह से काफी फ्लाइट कैंसिलेशंस हुई, पैसेंजर्स को काफी दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ा। और एयरपोर्ट जिस तरीके से प्रोटेस्ट साइट में तब्दील हो गए थे, उसकी वजह से जवाब भी मांगा गया। हमें जो खबर आ रही थी कि मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सिविल एविएशन की तरफ से अब एयर इंडिया एक्सप्रेस ने अपने ही कैबिन क्रू, अपने ही स्टाफ के अगेंस्ट एक्शन लिया है। और बताया जा रहा है कि काफी हद तक जो क्रू मेंबर्स हैं उनका जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है उसे खत्म किया गया, उसे टर्मिनेट किया गया है। दैट्स द अपडेट दैट इज नाउ कमिंग इन एज फार एज Air India Express is concerned, that has now taken action against its own crew members. We have Nikhil with us on the phone line. Nikhil, good morning. Tell us about the action that has now been initiated.
This is the big action which is seen in the domestic aviation sector, and 25 is the number which is coming out from the sources within the Air India Express. That 25 is the number of the senior cabin crew who did not report to work, and now against them the action has been taken by the management. Their services have been immediately suspended, their contract has been immediately terminated. So this is going to give out a loud message to all those other senior cabin crew members as well who are currently on leave. They did not report to work. In fact, they reported sick. And when you report sick in the aviation sector, no one can, oblige you to work. You are, not supposed to give any of the major reason other than the same. But because of the same, the airline continues to say that many of the operations were impacted. Close to 90 is the number of the flights which were impacted. And if we talk about the fleet number, Air India Express currently has a fleet of 73 aircraft which operate close to about 360 flights on a daily basis, not just on the domestic route but the international routes as well. And particularly the Kerala, Goa and Delhi are the places where the major impact has been seen. And if we talk about the sector-wise, the route-wise, the Saudi-bound flights and the Gulf-bound flights, these are the major, sector which has been impacted. But also, if we talk about today in particular, there are many of the things which have been scheduled. The airline yesterday only they, issued guidelines to all the passengers that they are going to provide with the full compensation, full refund to all those who have suffered the cancellation or the delay as per the DGCA guidelines. And furthermore, they have said that if any of the passengers is moving towards the airport flight, then they should confirm the status of the flight before arriving at the airport. Apart from it, all the channels of the communication are open between the management and the employees. And today there is also a pre-scheduled town hall which is going to take place if anyone wants to raise a concern with the management. But if we talk about the start of this particular situation on Tuesday night, close to 250 to 300 is the number where senior cabin crew member who did not report to work, and at the last moment just before the initiation of the flight they reported sick, because of which many of the flight operations were impacted. And now the Air India have officially said that they are going to curtail flight schedule for next few days. That means for next few days all the operations are going to be impacted. The passengers are going to face inconvenience, and the Ministry of Civil Aviation at the same time, the Director General of Civil Aviation, they have all also sought a detailed report from the Air India Express. But the biggest piece of information so far is that 25 is the number of the employees whose service.
तो उसके बाद निखिल क्या कोई जानकारी है कि फ्लाइट ऑपरेशंस उसके बाद भी क्या अफेक्ट हुए हैं? क्या जब तक जिन लोगों को परेशानी उठानी पड़ी है और हमने देखा है कि प्रोटेस्ट भी किए गए थे, उनको क्या कॉम्पनसेट किया जाएगा या उनकी फ्लाइट रीस्केड्यूल की जाएगी? एयर इंडिया की तरफ से क्या फिलहाल स्टेटमेंट जारी की गई है?
As far as the compensation is concerned, as we have already mentioned, that the MOCA, Ministry of Civil Aviation, they have also sought a detailed report, and they have advised the Air India Express to provide compensation as per the DGCA guidelines, which clearly says that if the flight is cancelled in 3 hours, then the proper full refund and the compensation should be given to all those passengers. And as far as the situation and the operations are concerned, it continues to be affected, and it is going to remain so for next few days, because many of the flight as well, which is as per the official detail shared to us by the Air India Express sources, that for next few days the schedules are going to be impacted. Many of the other cabin crew members who were on leave for genuine reasons, they have been pulled out and they have been asked to report to work. There are close to 2,000 odd cabin crew members who are usually a part of the Air India Express facility. So now we need to see as to how much the termination impact is going to be seen on those cabin crew members who reported sick and did not report to work for last few days. Thank you.
Nikhil, thank you very much for joining in. Well, those are the details now coming in. The action that has now been initiated on part of Air India Express. We also have Jayalakshmi joining in live. Good morning to you, Jayalakshmi. I believe you're there at the airport, trying to reach out to some of passengers who were affected because of cancelled flight and disruptions there. Over to you.
Yes, certainly. I'm standing at the Thiruvananthapuram airport here, and only alone in Kerala alone there have been more than 15 flights that have been cancelled, and definitely all these flights have been cancelled last moment, and the passengers are saying that they have not been intimidated, and that is the reason they had they did not have an option to get other tickets booked. I have a passenger standing next to me. Let us ask him, sir, आपकी flight कौन सी थी जो कभी cancel हुई है?
मेरा flight Air India Express है. मैं मस्कट जाने वाले के लिए आया. इधर आने के बाद में मालूम है मेरा टिकट कैंसिल हो गया. वो मैं क्या मुश्किलें पूछा, वो बोलते वो उसका मालूम नहीं है. आज इधर सुबह मालूम है कैंसिल का रीज़न. वो बोलते 15 तारीख के बाद में जाएगा, लेकिन मेरा टिकट आज का टिकट क्या के लिए तरतीब कर दिया. मेरा जाने का छुट्टी का टाइम हो गया. मैं लीव के लिए आया, लीव खलास हो गया. मेरा कल जरूरी जाना मांगते, नहीं जाएगा वो वीज़ा खलास हो जाएगा.
और आपने जब आपके ऑफिस में बोला तो क्या बोल रहे हैं वो?
मैं बोला, वो बोलते वो 7 दिन का बाद में रिफंड मिलेगा. तुम दूसरा फ्लाइट ओमान एयर का नहीं, दूसरा फ्लाइट का टिकट ले के जाओ, ऐसा बोलते.
Certainly, these are the problems that are being faced by the passengers here, that there are no other flights available for the last minute flying out, and people who have emergencies
who have been affected. More than 15 flights alone that has been cancelled in Kerala. दिल्ली के बारे में भी बात कर लेते हैं. जयलक्ष्मी, प्लीज कंटिन्यू टू बी विद अस. ईशा हमारे साथ जुड़ रही है. ईशा, दिल्ली के क्या हाल है?
बिल्कुल, एयर इंडिया की बहुत सी फ्लाइट्स कैंसिल होने की वजह से पैसेंजर्स को बहुत ही दिक्कतों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है. सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री ने एक रिपोर्ट भी मांगी है एयर इंडिया से कि, और अभी तक लेटेस्ट अपडेट ये है कि 13 मई तक एयर इंडिया की फ्लाइट ऑपरेशंस कम रहेंगी. लेस देन 40 फ्लाइट्स दे हैव कैंसल्ड, ओवर 40 फ्लाइट्स ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. दिस हैज रिजल्टेड इन अ लॉट ऑफ panic because Air India is considered to be one of the most economical travel options for passengers, and now that Air India's its 40 flights are cut out, it will create a problem for the passengers. But at the moment at the Delhi airport, there's not much of a crisis that we can see, because even on the board that I request my camera person to pan around and show you here, all these Air India flights, all of them, there are no delays that we are seeing here at the moment. They are stating that check-in is open and these flights are on time. So despite the fact that Kerala and other places there are unprecedented issues that are taking place over there, Delhi at the moment is not facing much of a crisis here, considering that all flights that we see on the board right now are running on time.
All right, we'll see as far as passengers who have been affected because of this, but Air India has already cracked the whip and has initiated action against its own staff. Thank you for that update, Jayalakshmi, and to you, Isha. With that, we head into a short break.